So cute. Hi, baby. Hi. Thankfully, he's not crying, babe. Kain ni Hana. Silipin natin. This is summer school. Enjoy there. Have fun. Be good girls. We love you. Ang daming plants. Sana meron pang eggplant or tomato. Kasi yung kasi kulang ako. Hindi yung yung pipino, the cucumber didn't gusto ko yung vegetable kasi tanim na makukuha pa ko. Hanap tayo, be. Wala akong vegetable. Wala na yata ang vegetable, no? Early yun. Plants na lang ang meron. I need to find soil. Yan, roses sa USB ganito. Uy, ang ganda, may peach rose, be. Peach rose, may purple lilac. Lilac pala. Red. Ang cute. Hahanap ko hair color ko. Wala yung white na to. Liliit na roses. So yung mochi yata. So yung mochi naman kayo. Soy lang ang kailangan ko. Ano tayong soy? Bilhin na lang natin ito. Gusto ko ito, babe. Pwede pala talagang i-mix, no? Cute. Ito. The soil. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung kukunin ko ito, babe. O yung isa. Nakakatuwa yung toothpaste nila, be. May ganito. Oh. Ganda, no? Nakakatuwa. Hair colors too. Thank you. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. I hope I just got a mixed one. I'll just check in Yoko Mochi. The weather is great. Ayun ang cute pack nila. Katabi siya ng Universe Bay. PCM. Cute! Wala nang tomato. Late na yata. Dapat pala pag bumibili ng mga vegetables, mga April, May, ganun. Now is June, there's no more vegetables. Then the cucumber died, but the tomato is so alive now. It has like 4 tomatoes and flowers are around 10. So 10 tomatoes. Eggplant only 1. So if only I could turn back time, ako, babe, 2 tomato, 2 eggplant. Kung may place, kung may space is mga 7, no? Mas maraming eggplant. Potato yung nag-grow. Kaya ako bumili ng soil. That's why I bought soil, because I'm going to transfer the potato para marami siya, babe. Kasi mahilig ang kids sa mashed potato. Tinatanamin. Nakakatawa kaya. It's fun to harvest. Diba? I just water it and then you'll harvest it. have BBS be. Fun yung BBS. Nakakatuwa tong toothpaste na to be. Oh, fruits. Para yun lang eh, na-enjoy na. Tapos ito talagang kailangan ko be. Alam niyo kung ano to? Hair color. Hair color, grabe. Hair color na talaga. At kasi may puting lumalabas sa gilid eh. Nainis na ako eh. Kahit ano siguro ako 100 years old, I'll still color my hair. Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang. Oh, number 5. Number 3 is parang brown. Hey, was it fun? Fun. It's okay. Take care next time. Where's David? Oh, David is here.
I got it back.
Was it fun? Was it fun?
You skipped BBS. Like the second time.
What did you do there, Hannah? Oh, drawing. What else? What else?
I made a Hershey chocolate.
Hi, David, smile. Hi. He just woke up. Smile. Hi, baby. You're a cutie pie. Are you in a good mood? You're in a good mood. That's why he's a baby. Hi, beautiful friends. Look at him. He just drank milk. Where's his milk? Here. This is his milk. Yeah, that's when we need, right? We need food. And then we're happy already. Give us a smile. Come on. Yeah, baby. Sana hindi mag-CRY kasi nasa car seat siya. Hi! Yeah, good boy. Ate is eating. Oops. Why? You wanna go out? You want me to hold you? Yeah, I love you. You wanna see the kids? You want? You want? Let's go. We will look at the kids are playing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Babe, look at that tomato. There's 5 pieces. Look. It's fun, right? And then this has like 6 or 8 flowers or 10. That's another tomato. This one 3 or 4. This one 3 or 4. It's fun. Dami nating potato. Ay, tomato. Tomato. And then this one, I would like to plant this dun sa may curve. Kaso lang, hindi ko malagay yung curve kasi pag humahangin, tika nang tanggalin. Okay, let's just plant this first. I'm going to use this. Kasi wala akong malaking lagayan. At saka maganda rin yan, be. For the potato. This is the potato, be. Malaki na siya, oh. Chili. Eggplant. Let's look at the eggplant. How many? Oh, may isa. There's one. A small new one. And there's another one. Dalawa lang, no? Ah, ito. Bago yata ito. Okay. Here's Hannah. Where's Hannah?
We're planting potatoes.
Say, we're planting vegetables.
Planting vegetables.
Yeah.
The tomatoes are big.
Yeah. Hannah's excited for that. We're going to put that in the pasta. Olive oil, garlic, tomatoes. We're going to plant a potato here. Beautiful friends, show them this. And show them our potato, Hannah. That one, the plant. Okay. Okay. And the trees there. Show them. We love you. Have a great day.
We love you. Have a great day.
It's starting now.
No, it's not.
Say thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. What? Tweet. Yay.
So cute. It's planted. Let's look at this other one. This one, I have to fix that one. And I moved it here so that my space tayo sa potato. sana lumaking-lumaki na to. Be, if this is so healthy, then there will be a lot of potatoes there. Ang saya magtanim, no? Makaka-relax. Mas maganda to kung medyo malaki yung taniman. Yung mga square siya. Chili. Flowers. This is from last year, be. Amazing, no? Nabuhay. Ay, tinanim yata ni Hadasa yan. Oh, ang daming ano. Anong tawag dyan? Basta yun na yun. Ito. Ang dami, no? Yan. Dami.